This Jin&Bao garage door seal strip creates a tight barrier along the threshold that keeps out rain, snow, dust, and leaves so the garage stays noticeably cleaner and drier. The heavy-duty rubber material feels robust underfoot and is engineered to handle very low and very high temperatures without cracking, warping, or becoming brittle over time. Its long continuous length is easy to trim to fit a typical residential garage opening, and the profile is tall enough to close small gaps under older or slightly uneven doors. A bright green safety line runs the length of the strip, making the threshold much easier to see when walking or driving in and out, especially in dim lighting. The textured top surface adds useful traction so tires and shoes are less likely to slip when the floor is wet, while the grooved underside helps sealant grip firmly to concrete or asphalt. Homeowners who like do-it-yourself projects will appreciate that the kit includes adhesive and installs with basic tools, turning a common draft and water problem into a quick afternoon fix.